Capel is situated between Bunbury and Busselton, just off the main highway, and due to this, it's often bypassed by travellers heading to the larger centres. Capel has not suffered the development of its larger neighbours and retains a pleasant country town atmosphere. The shire has 29 kilometres of coastline that's ideal for swimming, fishing and boating. Although there are no boat ramps in the shire, boats can be launched at Forest, Peppermint Grove, Minninup and Dalyellup beaches. The town is motorhome friendly and offers a 24-hour rest area for self-contained vehicles. Vehicles that are not self-contained need to stay at the caravan park. A blackwater dump point is also available in town, although you do need to contact the shire to access it. A free overnight campsite is also available at Ironstone Gully Falls, 17 kilometres southwest of town. Early exploration of the area was undertaken by Lieutenant Bunbury, who travelled along the Capel River in 1836. The original name of the area was Cooling Up, and the first settler in the area was a Mr. Child. He arrived in 1843 and constructed the Minninup homestead, which was made from locally quarried limestone. The name of the town may originate from Capel Carter Bussell, John Bussell's eldest daughter, but some sources say that Capel Carter, a close friend and cousin of the Bussells, was the source of the name. It seems most likely that John's daughter was named in honour of Capel Carter, so the credit for the name should really go to her in any case. The following couple of stories come from our Tall Tales and True archive. The first one concerns a road board election for the Wellington district in 1873. It was the catalyst for an ongoing feud to boil over. Dr. Lovegrove and Mr. Carey were standing against one another in the road board elections. At one point they clashed in the street. Lovegrove attacked Carey with a horsewhip, and as a result, people voted Carey onto the board. Lovegrove was charged and brought before a Perth magistrate, who gave him a mere hour in jail, but perhaps more significantly, a £25 fine. A local character in the area was one Denny Connell. He was thought to be a bit of an eccentric. On one occasion, he was blowing out tree stumps with gelignite and lost an eye. Without bothering to mention it to anyone, he walked to Bunbury for medical care. Later, when visiting another doctor, he was told to take his medicine in water. Each time he took a dose, he waded into the Capel River. On yet another occasion, he was travelling to Perth by train and lost his much-loved hat out of the window. Unperturbed, he marked a cross on the dust in the glass, proclaiming that he would know where to find it on the return journey.